Hey everybody, want to give you a little bit of a review today on the Ailun glass screen protectors for your iPhone 15. This is the 3-pack that comes with the lens protectors. Now, I just did an install on this and we did end up picking these and really liking these, but I want to tell you one thing at the end that I think you need to be aware of if you are going to buy these. First of all, I want to let you know that the installation process was super simple. It took me about 3 minutes, start to finish, to fully install this screen protector. Very easy, very clear instructions. The second thing I want you to know is, man, the glass on it is a tempered glass. It is so ridiculously clear. I've had some of these in the past that you put them on a phone and it appears hazy. That is not the case at all with this. It is crystal clear. Thirdly, the thing we really like, and the reason I really bought this, is because of the protectors for the lenses on the back. A lot of screen protectors don't come with these, which is a real shame because it can be easy to scratch the sapphire glass that are part of these lenses, and so they do need to be protected well. And so this little cover that came with it is phenomenal. Now, the one thing I don't love about this, and it's going to be a little bit difficult to probably see on here, is even in the installation, though I was meticulous and I followed everything step by step, doing the instructions, the cleaning, the dabbing, the taking off of the dust and everything I could, I still ended up with two very small bubbles, two very small air bubbles in this application. When the phone is actually lit up, it's very hard to even tell that it's there, but they do exist. So that's the one bummer I've had with this. But overall, I love this product, love these screen protectors, 5 out of 5 stars. If you got a phone, great way to take care of it.